how to secure Facebook account. So what we'll simply do is open our Facebook and we'll go in our menu, and after going in our menu we will simply scroll and see for settings and privacy. We can click on it and we'll click on settings, and here we'll get an option of account center on the first options. So we can simply click on account center, and then we'll get to see an option of a password and security. So I will simply click on this password and security. So after clicking on it, we'll get an option of change password. The first thing we need to do is we need to create a strong password. So you can simply change your password and create a strong one. And the next thing that we can do is turn on two-factor authentication. So here, after going on it, you can simply turn on like your two-factor authentication, so that you will get notified whenever someone log in into your Facebook, or and you will have to use a code if you want to log in. So yeah, that is the second thing that you can do to have a secure Facebook account. The third thing is you can simply check where you are logged in, and the third, and you can remove the device wherever you're logged in. Just keep it in your one device, or make sure that it is secured if the another device is logged in into. And the third thing is we'll click on the login alerts and turn on the in-apps notification. So the fourth thing is that we can do. And we have to make sure to do all of these four things so that we have a secure Facebook account.